Good afternoon to one and all. Welcome you all in today's third session of Faculty Development Program, sponsored by AICT under Atal Scheme and organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Christian College of Engineering and Technology, Bhilai. Today's invited speaker for this session is Dr. Chandrahas Handa sir from KDKC, Nagpur, who has already joined with us. You are most welcome, sir.
Thank you.
It's our honor and privilege to have Dr. Chandrahas Handa with us, who will deliver a talk on product life cycle, a tool for successful business. Also, I would like to add that Dr. Handa sir is my PhD guide also, so I am so fortunate to have today, sir. Uh, Now, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you, sir. Dr. Chandrahas Handa is a professor and head of Department of Mechanical Engineering at Karmavir Dada Saheb Kandamwar College of Engineering, KDKC, Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur. He obtained his PhD in Mechanical Engineering from Nagpur University. His area of interest is production engineering, entrepreneurship, nanotechnology, and education. He has 32 years of teaching, administrative, and 23 years of research experience. He has worked for nearby all the administrative positions and bodies of RTM Nagpur University like Senate, Academic Council, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, various boards of studies, BCUD, special examination, career advancement committees, drafting of statute, ordinance, directions, scheme of examination, etc. He has worked for the various professional bodies such as IST, AMM, and other social and educational organizations. He has published 123 research papers in international national journals and presented 99 papers in international national conferences. He has guided 11 PhD students at Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur. He is recipient of 5 Best Teacher Awards, including award given by Nagpur University. He got many research, development and training grant of more than 10 millions from various central ministry of government of India. He also visited foreign countries such as Singapore, Dubai, Nepal under educational work. I am so pleased to have such an eminent personality with us. Thank you again, sir, for joining with us. Now I will hand over the session to you, sir. Please continue the session, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Gajgat. Dr.
Welcome, sir.
Radhesham Gajgat. Uh, he told you he was my student for PhD. He has already completed PhD last year only. And let me tell you, he is an amazing systematic worker. Meticulously working his work. You must have seen him. He started his activities 2 months back. 2 months back. And the funniest part is, let me share with you, I have suffered from corona. 28th, I suffered from corona. I got a fever. And then 2 days was a fever. Then I was absolutely normal. But as he proposed too many days back, all of a sudden I remembered my lecture was on 8th. I suffered from corona on 28th of August. So 8th of September, I thought I have my presentation is STTP. So 7th I called him. I said, मेरे को कल क्या क्या कैसे होने वाला है बताइए. Tell me tomorrow. Because in my concept, I don't work 3 months back. I work a 15 days, 1 month ahead of a session so that I can manage things on time. He was working so early, so meticulously. I thought it was next month. Though I was not well, I prepared my topic, being awake the whole night. 1 बजे रात को मैंने अपना काम complete किया. I completed my presentation 1 o'clock. The topic was different. कल होने वाला है वो topic. वो IIT के चेन्नई के कोई professor is taking that topic. But see the funny part of being too meticulous. I called him on 7th of September or 6th of September. I said, Dr. Gajgat, tomorrow is my session, tell me the modalities. He, sir, you have session on 8, but it is next month. I said, यार मेरे को लगा तुमने इतने पहले messages डाले हैं, तो it must be next month. But I would sincerely appreciate the way he works,
Thank you,
this
sir.
systematically work being done, and a thorough gentleman, absolutely good human being. I wish you all the best to your program and to your life ahead. Good
Thank you,
afternoon,
sir.
everyone. Now it is time. अरे गजगाट सर मेरे को ये बताइए, आर यू फोर्स टू कॉल मी ऑन दियर से एसटीटीपी गाइड है यार, क्या करेंगे यार, बुलाना पड़ेगा, ऐसा तो नहीं है ना?
No, 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 sir.
और वैसे भी आपकी पीएचडी हो गई, अब कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं। जब पीएचडी हो रही थी तब तो कभी टेंशन नहीं दिया मैंने।
We want to hear you, sir.
I would be happy to talk to you all. I am into this is a 30. I have completed 33 years of teaching. I have completed my 33 years of teaching experience. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi.
So very good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Very good. We have a game and the rules of the game. The rules of the games are. The rules of the games are, your all cameras and mics are off, but I want this session to be interactive. That is why you can see I have prepared 2 screens at my place. My one laptop is seeing you all, and my PC is would be making you a presentation. So the rules of the games are, it is not a one-sided delivery. It is not, I would look into the horizon, I would look into the PPT slides, and I would continually start doing badbad or my deliberation without understanding and knowing that either it is being carried to you. So, आपके डेटा की प्रॉब्लम को देखते हुए, those who want to talk to me anytime, no hindrance. Whenever you have any problem, put your mic on and call me, put your questions. Number 1, no question session at the end. There also you can ask, here also you can ask. Number 2, ki, whenever you would talk or you want to discuss something, put your camera also on so that I can see who is talking to me. So this is the rule of the game. When I come down to my presentation, you know the topic is product life management, innovation and role of the institution in the regeneration of the industry. PPT दिख रहा होगा? You must be able to see
Yes.
the screen and my PPT.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Now what I am coming to is, look, it is just not, because my main center line of my presentation would be product life cycle, and I have a reason why product life cycle. Though management or in mechanical engineering, everybody knows product life cycle. So I want a question, counter question, what they exactly mean. Because whenever I put a question and I give a pause, please put your mic on, please put your camera on, or at least mic on, and put me the answer what I'm asking for, so that we are vibrant. हम जितने कुछ 75, 60, 63 लोग दिख रहे हैं, 3 लोग पकड़े तो 60 लोग हैं, ये 60 लोग जाग रहे हैं, all are awake. And they are not sleeping, or they are not just their mic off and gone out someplace. Again, why I am talking to is, you all must be facing the same agony, same confusion, and same barrier environment when you teach online. Because whenever you teach online, every place the number of students are more than 60 or 100. 1. Number 2, whenever you talk, you don't know who is being connected to you. When you see in the class, the faces tell that he is not understanding, you can ask him. The student has a liberty to ask you immediately. Here, the situation is not like that. So what is the expectation of delivery is not done in online class. I have an attempt, a feedback from you, a suggestion from you, and my suggestion, how can we make it more interactive? 1.25 घंटे का 1.5 घंटे का सेशन अगर 45 मिनट्स भी डिलीवरी में आया तो भी मेरे को चलता है. It is not the length of the data which has been covered. It is a content. It is a clarity of the content being delivered in that period is my contention and intent, my friends. You can see the product life cycle. यहाँ लिखा है बहुत स्क्रीन में बहुत सारी चीजें. If I shoot to the left top corner, there is one cycle which is covering about 5 areas. 2 blue areas, 1 green, yellow and red area. That area only domain we would be focusing our discussion. Something about my whereabouts, my contact numbers, my email ID. I am available for anybody for any of the academic or any matter related to your domain or requirement. If I can be help to you, my numbers are there. I conventionally work about 10 hours a day, 10 to 12 hours a day. तो मैं रात को 12 बजे के पहले कभी नहीं सोता हूँ. WhatsApp नंबर है मेरा पहला वाला. You can put me any message, any requirement, any discussion. If you think I can be of any use to you, ahead. Coming down to this topic is, the topic was product life cycle management. 3 elements. Your screen shows 3 circles. Product life cycle management. The other was innovation, which is the title of my presentation. And the third is role of institution. I would just not limit. First 45 minutes, I would cover on the topic of product life management. And the last 10-15 minutes, I have something more to talk to about system of education, about the system of delivery, role of a teacher, and I5, which is my concept, I5. And I would wish every teacher to possibly incorporate this I5 to the extent of I5 laboratory into their colleges, into their institutions. Product life cycle management, integration of product life cycle management. The product life cycle or a business life cycle, when we say product, it can be equally connected with business life cycle or a product life cycle. They can match in many of the situations. Innovation is the center idea for anything. Innovation एक ऐसी चीज है. Innovation का मतलब हमने क्या लिया है? What we mean by innovation? Any answer? What is innovation, please? Anybody who can reply me, what is innovation exactly?
That is which is created for the first time, never existed
Right.
before.
Not exactly. Can I have a still simpler definition? Are you talking about invention? I would come
Or
to
improvement
IFI.
in the existing product.
Exactly. Who said this?
Martin Maisa.
Mr. Martin, you are absolutely right. Innovation is not a big thing which done. हम whenever see word innovation, we think it is only out of box. Something new, something amazing, something very costly, something which may change the world. No. Innovation is the smallest change that can be done, which can change the utility or use of that product or service, is innovation. A small change. I will put an example. Earlier you had that mosquito coils which you used to burn. बराबर है? Then that was very difficult, burning and smoke and lot of other problems. It was replaced by liquid mosquito repellent. Innovation. The difficulty faced earlier was replaced by liquid. Now, what was the purpose of liquid mosquito repellent? Only repelling mosquitoes, keeping mosquitoes away. What I did, I added rose, sandal, or some essence into that, so that it can be used as a room freshener also. The basic utility was mosquito repellent. I added, किसी का माइक चालू है सर? I added only some perfume into it. Now it has additional utility and it is an innovation. So innovation is not something big. It is not something big. If I can carry my just the rollers in the suitcase is an innovation. small things which we can be converted into enhancement of the utility of the same product, which can add a value to a product, is a innovation. And where the innovation is done, the best innovations are done either people who need it or people who think about it, or mostly the best ideas come to the youngsters. And why I'm trying to club this is, if you, those who have gone to West or those who have gone to developed countries, they know that institutions and industries do not stand in isolation. The institutions are research laboratories, creative centers, management guidance centers, place of innovation for the industry or the business world outside. Am I right or wrong? There is a perfect collaboration between the industry and educational institution in our country or in the underdeveloped country or a developing countries. Institution and education grow separately, industries go separately. Education think industry don't understand what we are doing, and industry think but nothing is done in the colleges, and when the student come to us, they are raw student. We have done lot at my place. Kabhi kisi ko, if somebody comes to Nagpur, come to my place, I would show you how amazing network we have done between the different industry associations. And my department is producing 30 machines every year, mechanical department, which are industry sponsored project. So we are a great asset to industries. We as an educational institution are real research hub. It is not only engineering. I say management, we are planning for them. We are working for their either on softwares or their management requirements. So we are clubbing industry, interacting them. And we have recently joined with GIZ Germany for delivering a project. We pay students, we pay honorarium to teachers, and we deliver to industries their requirement. The most benefited कौन है इनमें? There are sectors: Commerce Ministry, MSME, and heavy industry. There are three major departments in Government of India. The major commerce sector are policy. The heavy industries, they are big business giants and they have their own R&D. We need to cater the institutions, the management institutions, the engineering institution need to cater to MSME, small industries, those who don't have their R&Ds, those who cannot afford their R&Ds. So that is why my today's lecture is product life cycle. And why I love product life, I would come again. So what I'm trying to build is, here comes my responsibility of my fellow colleagues, teachers. I want one. At the end of the session, if I can make sense on these 2 points only, I think I have made an entire sense in this training program for which the government is putting such a huge sponsorship. The first is encourage innovation in the institution. We are exam fussy people. We are mug up and vomit. The new education system, if those who have seen, how many of you have seen the new education NEP, new education policy 2020? What is the central theme line of new education policy 2020? They are not talking more about study and give exam and give a merit. They scaling. They talk of entrepreneurship. They talk of startups. They are talking of research. They are talking of being Atmanirbhar. I mean, the 2020 has an absolutely different vision as we were carrying about. And it is my humble wish, everybody, those who are listening, try to arrange some session for teachers for whom this education policy has been drafted, for ministers, for businessmen. No, it is for teachers basically. It is for them to understand the philosophy, the approach. कि ये नए एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में ऐसा क्या क्या आ गया है कि इट इज अ कंप्लीट रीओरिएंटेशन ऑफ लुकिंग एट एजुकेशन. इट इज एडिंग अ स्किलिंग, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन पे बात हो रही है. इट इज जस्ट नॉट डिलीवरी ऑफ अ नॉलेज. So what I role is, the institution has a bigger role to play. research, innovation, and development a support system to a business and to industry. Innovation, encourage innovation in your colleges. The younger brains are the most innovative brains. उनको जितनी ideas आती है ना, हमारा brain है ना train हो गया रहता सिस्टम में, लाइफ में, घर, परिवार, बीबी, नौकरी, इसके बीच में we are fixed between wife, life, job, office, and we don't have anything more than that. So we are less innovative because full time we are busy with our assignment. I would shift to my next shift. What is the purpose of any business? The purpose of any business activity is profit. The purpose of any business activity is profit and longevity of the business life. Matlab, suppose I am starting a business, I don't have to end a business in 2 years and earn as much as profit possible. I want to maximize profit and I want a lifetime business. So whenever you have to go for look for profit and whenever you have to look for longevity of your business, the main central theme which everybody should look at is a product life cycle. Yeah, I have keeping 3 things. Product life cycle management में 3 चीज लिखे हुए हैं. Product life cycle, life and cycle, चलो इसको भी divide कर देते, and the management. So there are 4 words which I am trying to know is there are 4 words. Product. What is the definition of product? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of the product when I am talking about a product life cycle? Anybody? कोई मेरे को बोलेगा what I am intending to address by saying a product. Do product mean only some commodity?
It can be any object or system that can be sold, any services that can be sold.
Rightly been said. When I am talking of a product, that means a product or a service. We can divide entire business into a product or a service. ठीक है? Or we can say itself a business. When I am saying a product life cycle here, means may it be a product, may it be a service, or may it be a business. We are here to see what is the life of that product, what is the life of that service, or what is the life of that business. We don't only mean with life. There are 4 words. मैं आपको कैटेगरिकली 4 पॉइंट के ऊपर बात कर रहा हूं. वो पॉइंट जो आप पढ़ चुके हैं. My problem is I have to teach teachers, number 1. Number 2, I have to teach those topics they are aware about. Still I have to make whatever I am talking as sense. I have to make myself a sense. मैंने इसका dissection किया है, autopsy किया, काट छाट किया, and I said if I divide these words, one is product, second is life, means I am worried about my service, my product or my business. What would be the life of the business? Is that end everything? If I say my business I did 20 years, would that be all over? No. Then comes the cycle of the business. Third point is cycle of the business. Means the stages in which my business would grow and fall. Life is 20 years का क्या मतलब? Average life of a human being is 75 years. मतलब क्या? He would born day 1 and he would end at the age of average 75 years. Is that okay? So that is a 75 years of life. But life of 75 would suffice everything? No. How the lifespan has gone, what the cycle of life was, is my consideration here. And the last is called management. Early to 2020, about 20 years back, somewhere in 2000 or earlier to 2000, those who have done their management studies earlier, we have senior professors and professionals. Those who have done study, you would not have listened to the word product life cycle management. You have listened to the word product life cycle only. Till that time, we were discussing product life cycle only as a management tool, as how to know for a business. But later on, we understood or the business world understood, the management thinkers understood, the expert understood, it cannot be left only to product life cycle. You need to add the another gear in the list, that is management, so that the entire things work. The management given to a product would enhance the product life cycle. So the management is, earlier we were discussing only the 4 phases of management. Now whatever you are doing into your today's short-term training program, आपका प्रोग्राम काय पे है? Operations management. Operation management is a part of this. अभी एक स्लाइड मैं आगे भेजूंगा आपको. I would put one more slide that would tell you now product life cycle is a backbone, and everything is placed around this backbone for enhancement of product life cycle. For enhancement of the product life cycle. I would come to PLM. I would not discuss more on PLM. I would go hurriedly because I think I am left with about half an hour, and I think I have to cover a lot of things. Half an hour or about 30-40 minutes. So thoda sa I would be fast. Wherever I am going fast, if something you are not able to understand and get connected, please stop me. मुझको रोक दो. हमको जरूरी नहीं कि मेरी 70 स्लाइड है, 60 स्लाइड है, आज देख ही जाना है. मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए 60 स्लाइड को दिखाना है. It is not like that. I want to deliver my concept. Product life cycle management address to the full life cycle of the product from conception until disposal. मतलब birth to death is a product life cycle management. The first call was made in 2000 by IBM. IBM started understanding that they are facing problem with the business or the volume of a business and the product. The most important starting point of PLM is launch the new concept about the traditionally cost quality. So earlier the concept was simple: get a cost and a quality and you would get a business. Earlier concept was be cautious about the cost, make it competitive, make it cheap as far as possible, add as much as quality you can add to your product, and your product would sell. And gradually concept changed, and they said there are a lot of features which you need to add to the product so that you enhance the life of product. Earlier to 2000 or still 20-25 years back, the concept was 2 features only: concentrate on cost, concentrate on quality, your product would sell, your business would go, continue. But then gradually it understand, because number of players into market, more cutthroat competition, made it clear that there are many more things which the world need out to think only about cost and quality. The process of supply triangle. PLM includes that product of engineering, manufacturing, and information of maintenance, digital media stroke, check. PLM starts from creation of product and finish with the retransformation of product. It did not say the end of a product. Retransformation of product. Maybe end of a product, but then again there is one which is called retransformation. मतलब product के product नहीं हो सकता, वो change करके आगे continue. At the same time, this system can offer production of different users profile. The creation of product determines largely what can be done with the product in the later cycle phases. मतलब when you start a new product, when you do R&D, start a inception period, start pushing a product, you're not worried in that figure you have planned. You are worried about the later end stages. जब बुढ़ापा आने लगता, जब रिटायरमेंट आने लगता, तब आपको सोचना रहता है कि रिटायरमेंट के बाद क्या करूं. What is to be done after retirement? Early years you don't have a time, neither do you understand because things are all going well. I said I would put you one slide. See, collaboration, environment and data storage. आजकल ये data storage हर जगह आ गया है. Data storage, data mining, data analytics has taken a bigger part of management. Not only in management, but this data management coming to all AIs and tools of computer aided are a great things. Product life cycle management, and if you see manufacturing process collaboration, supply chain collaboration, quality test and generation. I think majority of this are your topic for your this faculty development program. Warehousing and logistic, delivery of customer service record, and many more. So it is a combination of many parameters which was not earlier seen. to see that the product life change. I would put one example. Coke, you know Coke. Coca-Cola was the most premium selling product. But when Pepsi entered into a market, now it is more Pepsi available and Coca-Cola is more gone. The only reason it did not thought about only quality and the taste or the price of the product, because it similarly matched the price lining kiya unhone. It meant on only channel of distribution. It made Pepsi available at every pantela, every nook and corner, and Pepsi was up over Coca-Cola. As a product, I love Coca-Cola, but as a Pepsi, it is available every place. So it was just not the life of the product which they were aiming at. They were using all the things around to see that they enhance the product life cycle. The process of managing the entire life cycle of product is a conception through design, manufacturing, and service and disposal. PLM integrates people, data, process, and business systems and provide a product information backbone for companies and their extendable exercise. PLM describes the engineering aspect. जितना मैंने आपके सामने बड़बड़ कर दिया उसको words में present कर रहा हूँ. I am presenting the definitions of product life cycle management in words. So whenever it is to be translated into words, the definition should be like this. PLM describes the engineering aspect of the product from managing description and properties of product through its development and its useful life. It is a way every research scholar is looking at a problem of PLM. PLCM, sometimes it is called as product PLCM, many a times it is called PLM. PLCM का मतलब प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजमेंट, PLM का मतलब भी प्रोडक्ट लाइफ मैनेजमेंट है. Refers to the commercial management of a product in the business market with respect to cost and sales measure. Cost and sales measure है ना, आगे जाके हम देखेंगे. प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल में एक लाइन हम और ड्रॉ करते हैं जिसको कॉस्ट लाइन बोलते हैं और एक को हम सेल लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं. प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल इज अ सेल लाइन. प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट लाइन जो बोलते हैं वो ये बताती कि which time it is a investment or a loss and which time it is a profit. There are a lot of benefits. Some of them to be read fast is reduce the time of the market, improve product quality, reduces prototyping cost, more accurate and timely request of code generation, ability to quick identify potential case, opportunities, revenues and contribution, saving through the use of original data and many more. There are five primary areas, major areas, and then many more areas जो आपको बताएगा कि ये सारा काय के आजू बाजू में घूम रहा है. It is all encircling, roaming around the product life cycle. So all these imports address to product life cycle would be product life management. System engineering meets all requirement of primary meet customer need, coordination system design process involving a relevant discipline. Product and profile management, manage resource allocation, track progress versus plan of the project, the new product development project that are in progress or in holding status. Product design, आप product design पे काम कर ही रहे हैं. ये ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट में मैंने देखा बहुत सारे सेशंस है. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट, प्रोडक्ट डेटा मैनेजमेंट, कैप्चर एंड मेंटेन द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज थ्रू देयर डेवलपमेंट एंड यूज. वी कम डाउन टू माय बेसिक टॉपिक. चल रहा है, मैं कनेक्टेड हूं कि मैं गायब हो गया हूं आप लोगों के दिमाग से? Am I there?
Yeah.
Yes sir, yes sir.
गजगाट सर, इसके बाद आपके कमेंट नहीं चाहिए. आई डोंट वांट योर कमेंट. अरे यार, यू आर अ होस्ट, यू वुड नीड टू प्रेज मी. प्रेजिंग मी इज योर मजबूरी है ना. आई वांट माय ऑडियंसेस, माय फेलो कलीग्स एंड टीचर, इफ दे आर कनेक्टेड, आई एम मेकिंग अ सेंस. Otherwise, I am wasting their time, precious time, and my time. Am I making a sense? Am I connected? Am I going fast?
Yes sir. No sir.
Madam, am I okay? Can I know your good name?
Sir, my name is Sapna Yadav और you are absolutely fine sir.
Thank you so
बढ़िया.
much. आप मेरी एनर्जी को बूस्ट कर रही हैं. धन्यवाद, आपके आभारी हूं मैं.
Welcome sir, welcome.
थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम कमिंग टू थीम. अब मैं आप लोगों को भी, आपने सब्जेक्ट टीचर करके, मैनेजमेंट के एमबीए स्टूडेंट्स करके, एमबीए के टीचर करके, और मे बी एज ए इंजीनियरिंग एमबीए मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट, यू मस्ट हैव लर्न दिस लाइन. I am here to know how much we have understood, how much we have made it applicable to life. One of the few areas of management, इन्होंने पढ़ाई किया तब नहीं बताया होगा. I have done my BSc Maths, BA Political Science, BE Production Engineering, MTech Designs of Machines Mechanism, MBA, Master in Industrial Relation and Personal Management, and PhD. So basically, I was lucky to have an experience of 4 faculties: engineering, arts, that is political science, sciences, and management. So when as a student of management or a teacher into the system, I want to make it why it is important. Management की 2-4 चीजें ऐसी है, principles which are universally applicable. One of them is a product life cycle. It describes the advancement of a product through to identifiable stages of their existence. ये कर्व सबको मालूम है. ये कर्व जो है ना, if you see this curve, stage of introductory stage, growth stage, maturity stage, and decline stage. This curve everybody knows and everybody has drawn in the examination, which are the 4 major areas. Can anybody tell me there are only 4 areas or there can be a few more areas? I know everybody of you know product life cycle.
Sir, there are one more area which start from the decline stage and move towards the up, like introduction, growth and maturity. Similar ऐसे ही वो और ऊपर चला जाता है from the decline stage to.
वो कब जाता है और कैसे जाता है? You are
Sir,
right.
sir,
You are
when we हमें लगे, suppose we identify the product is moving towards decline, then we start do something like innovation or we add some new feature and then relaunch our product, something like that.
Exactly. What is the purpose? मैं इसके आगे और बात करता हूँ. अच्छा, that is 5th area, accepted. If you see my home page, here it is given. These blue areas, can you see on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the 5th area which you are addressing. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I come down to only 5 areas, any more area? Any more area?
So sometime before introduction also there's a data being collected so that, before launching a product, before introduction, you do a research kind of a thing.
You are absolutely right, madam. Can I know your name, please?
Sir, I'm Dr. Ankita Rajdev.
Madam Dr. Ankita, you are absolutely right. So, but if you go to net, if you go to search, if you go to books, majority books will put only 4 areas. And now I say there are 6 areas. It is equally same which you don't look to, which you don't understand is the R&D being done, the thought process being done, the innovation being done, the entire maneuvers of thinking being incorporated before thinking and developing a product. That what is called, what is the R&D area. That area starts ahead of time. आपको मालूम है कि दवाइयों का पेटेंट इतना महंगा क्यों होता है? When you launch any medicine, why that is so costly? The only reason is it is very easy to launch a medicine. A huge quantum of money, crores and lakhs of rupees are put in before introductory stage, in R&D or thought process, identifying a problem. Hence, if we have to see stages, या इसके बाद अगर आप बात करें, तो मेरा आपसे निवेदन रहेगा, I would be requesting everybody of you to divide this curve into 6 areas. And at the end of the project, I am proposing Handa's approach for enhancing the life of the product life cycle or longevity of the business. If you are convinced with this, I have already published and said prepared a paper, and you can make your comment on that. So there are 6 basically areas. If I come into again theoretical definition, all people know Philip Kotler कौन है. कौन है डॉक्टर फिलिप कोटलर? कौन है?
Father of
Who is
marketing.
exactly? He's a don. He's a big boss of marketing. He's a big boss of marketing. And out of lot of product mix or a lot of product discussion, he has been a center person. Product life cycle is an attempt to recognize the existing stages in sale of history of the product. We can define PLC. PLC एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाले भी बोलते हैं, ये PLC उनकी प्रिंटेड सर्किट वो उनका है, वो अपना नहीं है. PLC is अपने लिए प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल concerned with the study of degree of product acceptance by the market over the time. So there are two things, sell and the life of the product in time. So जब हम ये ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं, what is on this x axis and what is on this y axis? Sorry. What is on the x axis and what is on the y axis? This is x axis. सुन रहे हैं आप? जब हम ये ग्राफ प्लॉट कर रहे हैं,
Time and sales.
Time is on the x-axis.
Time is on x-axis, very good, and sales on
Stage.
Y-axis.
y-axis. Why time on x-axis and why sale on y-axis? Why not this y and why not this x? Simple question.
Because the sales depend.
So here sales is depend on time.
Very good. Very good. X-axis is an independent parameter line.
Sir, because
बोलिए, I am listening to you. Because hello, can I get an answer fatapat because I have to go ahead.
Sales is a dependent factor and time is independent factor.
Very good. So whenever you plot a graph, keep in mind, tell your student that the parameter which is independent would be always on the x-axis and the parameter which depends on the independent parameter would be always on the y-axis. Here time is independent and cell would be a dependent on x-axis. Hence they are all these two terms. According to Arch Pathan, again he is a man into management, a management thinker, the life cycle of the product has many points similar to human life cycle. क्या लिखा है? यहाँ मैं आ रहा हूँ. This fascinates me very well. Human life cycle, इसको मैंने और extension दिया है. It is nature cycle. The product is born, grows, lucidly attain a dynamic maturity and then enter in the declining years. कहने का अर्थ करके व्यक्ति जैसा बड़ा होता है, as a man borns, then he gradually grows as a youngster, then enters, climbs all his life and his hierarchies and achievement, try to maintain that till he is near to retirement or whole of his life and gradually declines. So the life cycle, product life cycle exactly match with the human life cycle of the product. This definition is given by Arch Pathan. The product is born. Product life cycle states the relation between sales volume and profit. More clearly, comprehensively, you can define it as product life cycle is historical study of sale of the product. It includes when it was introduced, when it was getting a rapid acceptance, when it was on the peak of its position, or when it started falling from the peak, and when it disappeared out of the market. Discontinued. Product passes through certain stages, and this is the definition of product. अब मैं इसको क्यों बोल रहा हूं कि I love this, और मैंने क्या बोला? Product life cycle is universal. मैंने पूछा why to study PLC? I would ask you why to study PLC. मैंने क्यों पढ़ा मैं बताता, क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता जीवन में का कुछ भी everything in your life would correlate with PLC. Everything your business would correlate with PLC. Everything in your career would correlate with PLC. I think there is nothing which can say it would not. And you tell me any situation, I would show you that I would correlate with the PLC. Product life cycle is, that is why I have said product life cycle is universally applicable. Bring in any situation of a business, any situation of a career, any situation of a life, and you would find that it is acceptable. It is a natural law. Law क्या बोलता है? What the law says? One who wants would die. कोई आवाज आ रही है मेरे को. मैडम एक आवाज आ रही है. Please can that mic be off? हाँ. What the nature of law? जो पैदा हुआ है, one who born would die and it would go through its natural cycle. मैंने लिखा है everything undergoes this nature's law. That whatever starts, you can take any example. आगे मैंने फोटो भी दिया है. I have shown one picture in one figure that how the nature grows. Even if you see to a sun, it would rise in the morning. If you see a period of rise to a period, it reaches its growth level, or it till it reaches 12 o'clock stage. It would early morning, it would glow a bit slow. Then it would steep rise by after 9 o'clock till 12 o'clock. It would maintain that height 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and then it would gradually start falling. Once why to worry about? If I have to see the nature cycle, yes, it is PLC. If I look to a sun, then yes, it is PLC. If I can demarcate the hours in which it has started, even where you would ask me, sir, where is R&D? Where is R&D? I said, रात के 12 घंटे is R&D. If you ask me where the sun nature cycle is doing R&D, 12 hours it is back of the globe, waiting for come to the launching stage of morning, and then it would grow. If I say the great star Amitabh Bachchan, सदियों का महानायक, मतलब हम क्या बोलते हैं? The tall man, Big B of century. Do you know his stage? He is the only man who has taken the 6th plot of the curve. Majority of film star, they go with a natural law, natural life cycle. It is only Amitabh Bachchan who did not make his point to come up decline stage. He is still batting like anything. बाबा रामदेव और अमिताभ बच्चन से ज्यादा टीवी के एड में और कोई नहीं आता. Am I right or wrong? सही बोल रहा हूं. अमिताभ बच्चन के इसमें बीच में एक स्टेज आई थी, मैडम आपने जो बोला था ना कि there is a 6th stage when we start declining. Amitabh Bachchan was a superstar, and for 5 years when he launched ABC, he perished like anything. For first 5-6 years, Amitabh Bachchan was nowhere. That was a period when he faced a decline. Again, he could manage his line, and now again his back. The maturity period is again there, which he is maintaining. Nokia, we have an example of Nokia. Everybody know Nokia? Do anybody have a Nokia phone now with him? किसी के पास Nokia का फोन है क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
नहीं है. क्यों?
Yes, sir. He's not adopted the change in the market.
Exactly, because he could not understand the importance of product life cycle. Otherwise, Nokia was such a tough phone that there was no option to Nokia. If I come to another example, Congress Party, a party which ruled 70 years, now seems as if it is nowhere. They have started their decline sale. It is for them to again come to again recovery stage. And the best example I would put is even the gods are not immune to this concept. अब आप मेरे को बोलेंगे सर ऐसा कैसा बोल दे रहे हैं, आप तो भावनाओं से खेल रहे हैं. मैं बोलता हूं, आई हैव एन एग्जांपल. डू एनीबडी नो, मैंने नाम लिखा है जय संतोषी माँ. हाउ मेनी ऑफ पीपल नो संतोषी माता? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो गॉडेस संतोषी माता?
Sir, yes, I know.
Our generation, we know.
I know, sir.
Have the young generation heard of Santoshi Mata? No.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. I am.
नहीं आप हो गए, but if you look at majority, I am asking about the majority. The reason, do you know, there were the most hit picture of this film industry was Sholay. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sholay was a huge budget picture. I am correlating. And that time Santoshi Ma was on only maturity, full maturity. There were only 2 pictures which was running for 2 years. It was such a craze of Mata Santoshi, Vaishnava Mata and Sai Baba. Now majority of youngsters don't know actually Santoshi Mata, that we do. Why we do? It is a Friday day. I still pray Santoshi Mata. Means if even the fan following of God can change with time, means even they are not even to such is God. मैं भी फटाफट आता हूँ थोड़ा. This is the growth curve. I said nature's law. This is introduction, growth, maturity and decline. छोटा पौधा, inception, it is growing, it is a full grown tree, and now it is a barren tree. They are the 4 stages where the product life cycle goes. Fast इसमें. Product have a limited life. There are four based on 4 premises. These premises are: product have a limited life, product from profit from a product vary at a different stage of life, the product sale pass through a distinct stage of each with different marketing implication, and 4th is product require different strategies at different type of life cycle if you want to improve. इसके पहले कि मैं आपको आगे के स्लाइड और थ्योरी में जाऊं, इसमें सब में पहले मेरे को बताइए कि if we discuss this stage, और यहाँ we can discuss this stage also. Here the 5th stage is also clear. Product development stage is also included. I have included a 5th stage here, product development. 2nd is introduction. Can we see this in the stage of introduction? How is the growth of the cell? Very gradual. If you see this curve, this growth, what you want always, अगर मैंने इसका आपको बोला, if you are into a business, and if I ask you, what is a cell? What is a cell? So what you would say, if we study this curve, this is a very gradual curve, and this is a very rapidly going growth curve. So that is why it is in growth. Now see, the curve has matured and gradually started going a little, but then we can say it is more of a flat curve here, and from here it is going gradually. What should be done for a better business? क्या होना चाहिए? First area, this first area should be as small as possible, so that you convert your ideas and money immediately into business. You should implement or execute a policy, marketing policy, so that this area is still shorter. I can shift line to left. You want to shift this line to left. Even the 2nd line of introduction, you want to shift to left, because you want to see that your product grows. Introduction stage, it starts selling very fast, and the introduction period is not very long. In maturity, what you want is, you don't want this curve to stop. यहाँ क्या हो गया? ग्रोथ के पास क्या होता है? मैच्योरिटी आ जाती है. अब possible, if these curves continue, if this curve continued at its rate, you would be giving more and more profit. You would be getting more and more sell. So actually, everyone want this curve to continue indefinitely. But in actual life, this do not happen. Moment, where comes more of competitor? Any answer? सब में ज्यादा competitor कौन से period of life में आएगा?
Growth.
Exactly. Growth. Because people would see that, they would not know how many months and years you have invested in these 2 stages of product development or introduction. उनको तो ये लगेगा क्या बिक रहा है यार माल, चलो ये बना देते हैं. They know what the product is, so it would be very easy for copying them, remake of the same product. And this is a period when huge number of competitors, similar products would enter into a market, and you would start facing a steep competition. Hence, the product will start declining. This is again one period where you want to do innovation. This is one period when you must do innovation. So that, why innovation? You want to look different. You want to look Maggi ketchup, different type. You want to look Maggi ketchup, it is different. So to get the age of your new coming products or competitors who have not put in lot of money in research, you need to innovate. So innovation takes place here at place. And even if it reach a maturity, what you want, these 2 lines should spread as long as possible. मैं सेशन में हूं, बाद में बात करता हूं. So the fail is nobody want this fifth stage. Everybody want the first stage very short, second stage very short, this third growth period as long as possible. The fourth stage is as flat and as long as possible, and the fifth stage should not come, which would not happen. We have a small yellow line here. ये काय की लाइन है? ये प्रॉफिट की लाइन है. ये सेल की लाइन है, प्रॉफिट की लाइन है. ये क्या बताती? इनिशियली प्रॉफिट नहीं है, इन्वेस्टमेंट है, तो लॉस में जा रहे हैं अपन या इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और ग्रेजुअली जब जब प्रोडक्ट बेचने लगा ये लाइन ऊपर जाएगी. सो योर प्रॉफिट एज इट एज अ पीक व्हेन यू आर इन अ ग्रोथ स्टेज, एंड देन ग्रेजुअली इट स्टैग्नेट्स एंड ग्रेजुअली वी विल एंड टू अ पेरिशेबल स्टेज. ये 5 स्टेजेस मेरे ख्याल से चूंकि अपना 1 घंटा हो गया है and we are left with another half an hour, I would skip some slides. Am I connect हो रहा है? जम रहा है? Enjoying की boring?
Enjoying, sir.
Boring भी आवाज आई कहीं से?
Sir, enjoying, sir.
Enjoying.
Enjoying, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Up now we come to research development stage, which we have seen. We would see these 5 stages fast, because we understand what we want to do. In this level, companies they decide to cost the product and problem services. 80% of the product costs are determined at this stage. Products are designed, made a prototype, tested for needs of various users. The most appropriate marketing method in doing nothing about the product sale, because there is not a product yet. So this is a stage when you imagine, you anticipate, you develop, you go to prototype, all mental exercise, majority or some of the prototype activity. When you invest in ideas, you invest in man hours, you invest in money term, so that you come out with some solution. You never know. By the time you come out with solution, or earlier to one, somebody can come with that product. So it is a risk zone. It is initially a risk zone, because if you want to be successful, try to be bring in with an innovative and utility product. Innovative and a utility product. The second stage is called introduction stage. The introduction stage occurs when the product first enter into market, promoting consumer awareness. ये स्टेज में सब में ज्यादा मार्केटिंग लगती है. आगे मैंने लिखा है कौन से स्टेजेस में क्या आने वाला है. आगे कई स्लाइड्स है कि कौन से स्टेज में व्हाट वुड बी द मेजर एक्टिविटीज. गेटिंग कस्टमर टू ट्राई न्यू प्रोडक्ट, millions of dollars spent on educating customer. Educating customer is market. Promotion, marketing, or you can say it promotion. So majority of money, whatever is business generated, is promoted into again making it more and more awareness, developing a channel of distribution, making people awareness, developing a test, etc. Major task is getting a product the right marketplace. A new product progress through a sequence of stages from introduction to growth maturity time. This sequence is known as product life cycle. It is associated with change in the marketing situation. Introductory stage. In the introduction stage, the firm seeks to build the product awareness and develop the market to the product, impact the market with the mix. The product branding and quality level is established. Pricing may be low penetrating. Dusra, try to keep your prices as low as possible in the introductory stage, and when the product starts picking up, you can enhance on price. Distribution is selective until customer shows the acceptance of our products. You cannot flood the market with the product unless you don't have to invest more. Promotion is aimed at innovators and early adopters, making communication seeks to build the product. So these are the stages. The management, the marketing, or the managerial efforts to be taken in the early introduction stage. In that level, large budget must be separated for promotion, because it is the first time product. Marketing meeting. So words of mouth marketing is possible even if the product is so qualified. The side of the budget influence the length of the product life cycle. The second stage is growth. More competitors are entered into market, adding distribution outlet, product improves stay and competitiveness. Product quality is important, pricing is important, distribution channels and promotion is aim. Pump has been, ये stage में आपको मेहनत ज्यादा क्यों करना है? Because be aware of your competitors now. This is a place when people would rush. So sell as much as you can, capture a market as much you can before you can face a steep competition. Third is maturity stage. Sale begins at slow down or it matures. मतलब आपका business stagnate हो जाता. If you are making a business of 1 crore rupees per annum, it do not increase. It stays somewhere near 1 crore. And you understand, last 3 years I am unable to increase my sales. The expenditures are increasing. The salaries are increasing. We are not incurring as profit as we were doing. This is a stage where you must start thinking about what to do with the product, what to do with the computer, what is the world outside, how vibrant I should be in knowing the players in the market like me or the like I am producing. Repeat customers stop buying the product. Attracting new buyers is a challenge. Product has reached its peak. मतलब इससे ज्यादा बेचना अब डिफिकल्ट हो गया है. You have acquired the maximum market share which was possible for you. मैं कुछ स्लाइड स्किप कर रहा हूं. Maturity, the level at which start the rate, then decline. Sale and profit drop, little and no marketing support. Company क्या करती है? When you sales drop, they don't try to put in money into business unless they think to revive. Product may be dropped by the company. होगा क्या? चल रहा वैसा चलने दो, या फिर you would drop the product. No longer demand for the product. At this stage you need to know product में modification हो, market में modification हो, or you have to reposition, changing the product and its characteristics like packaging, features, appearance, quality. Company markets this new product and increase the sale. You may have a same product, you change the product, new refill pack, new incentive, new sales scheme, so that you can pump in additional life in the product. Market modification, strategy to find new customer, modify the product to create new market segment. So you enter to a market segment or new areas which you have not tapped earlier. Encourage current customer to use the product more by offering certain discount schemes, etc. Repositioning, change the product image in the relation with competitors' image. Change in any 4 P's of marketing. You are all management people. Product, price, promotion and place. You have to look into R&D first. ये एग्जाम्पल एक छोटा सा जल्दी देखता हूँ. स्टार वॉर्स, कितने लोगों ने देखा है स्टार वॉर्स पिक्चर? लास्ट स्टार वॉर्स कब आया? How many of you have seen Star Wars English movie? What was the last movie? I know when I was an engineering college student, it was the most hit movie. It was 1977. Then it launched its first movie. It has a huge business worldwide, and now there is no business. No, because the new technologies have come. अब इसमें मैंने एक ग्राफ में और जल्दी से बताया है कौन सी stages. This graph says what are that stages of business for a business, not product, for a company. The first stage out of 5 stages, the first stage is investment stage. The second and the third stage are the harvest stage, decline and end of life cycle or improvement of the life cycle. Either it is a rejuvenating stage or a decline stage of your business. We have shown this product. Look, this graph is declining. The profit is declining and gradually going out. The aim of PLM is, I would go to, this is a bit good. I would sum up, friends, in another 5 minutes. Okay? Product life cycle stages. Industry का sale और industry का profit ऐसा जाता है. Sale do not mean profit. We have plotted a graph of time against sale. We have added one line against profit. In early introduction stage, you can have a little profit, but your major profit is in growth, and it start declining in maturity and ends to 0 in the days to come. So the orange is a sale curve, the yellow is a profit curve. So whenever you draw the curve, don't only draw sell curve. Add one more curve, that is a profit curve, so that you are more accurate, you can see better. Because if you have given more scheme to enhance business, you have dropped with your profit. You have dropped with your profit. If you are giving more incentive, you are dropped with a profit. So though the volume of business may look great, but profit may decline. So to know, have a better glimpse, you can go into two. These are the cash flows into this. Net revenue curve, sales revenue curve, and the net profit curve. You would see product life cycle cost curve है ये, इसमें cost कहाँ का आता है, जो अलग अलग फंक्शन कर रहे हैं ना हम एक कंपनी में, उसके कॉस्ट कहाँ कहाँ आते हैं. एनुअल कॉस्ट पहले, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट कॉस्ट, प्री प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट इन इंट्रोडक्शन स्टेज, देन ऑपरेशंस एंड सपोर्ट कॉस्ट. ऑपरेशन इन सेल वाला जितना होता है, रेवेन्यू, बिजनेस, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, transferring the product to the end user is this gray. The cost of production of the property is raised, and end में this is a decline stage में cost of disposal of the assets company is this stage. So if we see the cost wise curve, this is one thing accept which is not conventionally discussed in the books, is been referred here. Product maturity causes obsolescence and replacement. I think it is a time for me to come to, though I thought I would be able to end with this, but seems extend हो गया. Sales, सेल्स के बाद क्या रहेगा, इंट्रोडक्शन स्टेज में क्या क्या चीजें देखना पड़ेगा, सेल, लो सेल, कॉस्ट, हाई कॉस्ट, प्रॉफिट, निगेटिव, मार्केटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव, क्रिएट प्रोडक्ट अवेयरनेस, ये सब बता रहा है. एक्टिविटी क्या है, वो क्या होने वाली है इंट्रोडक्टरी स्टेज में. प्रोडक्ट, ऑफर बेसिक प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, यूज कॉस्ट प्लस, distribution, build selective distribution. You cannot give it to everybody. Give it to the areas which would accept first. Advertising, build product awareness among early adopters. If we come to growth stage, sell, rapidly rising, cost, average cost per customer, profit, rising profits. Marketing objective is maximize profit. Product, offer product extensive services. Price, price to be penetrating. जितना मार्केट ले सकते हैं, दोनों प्राइसिंग लगाते आती है. अगर प्रोडक्ट नया है, कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं आया तो स्कीम दी स्क्रीम. अगर प्रोडक्ट के साथ कॉम्पिटिटर आ गया तो पेनिट्रेटिंग प्राइसिंग. I think you know these two type of pricing. Distribution, build intensive distribution. पंप दी माल जहां तक जिसको देते आता उसको प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई कर दो. एडवर्टाइजिंग, बिल्ड अवेयरनेस एंड कीप एडवर्टाइजिंग. मैच्योरिटी स्टेज, सेल्स एंड पीक सेल्स, cost, low cost per customer, profit, high profits. Marketing objective is maximize profit. Product diversified. Price to match with the best competitor. Distribution build more intensive. Hello?
I'm in FTP. I should get over another 5-10 minutes.
Somebody's mic is on, please. Advertising strays brand different and benefits. And when we come to decline, sales cost decline, cost, low cost per customer, profit declining, marketing objective, reduce expenditure on marketing, product, phase out the or regenerate. यहाँ phase out लिखा है, phase out और regenerate. There are certain example, good examples of कौन से चीजों से क्या क्या फर्क पड़ता है और कैसे कैसे स्टाइल चेंज होते जाती है. अगर ये फैशन इंडस्ट्री है तुम्हारी या कोई इंडस्ट्री है, उसमें स्टाइल में अगर चेंजेस आ रहे हैं तो योर कर्व वुड बी फ्लक्चुएटिंग. अगर फैशन इज अ पैरामीटर विच चेंजेस, देन यू सी अ डिक्लाइन. इफ इट इज अ फैड, देन it would grow like anything and crash down suddenly. So style changes, you have a bigger market. If it is a fashion, then you have a gradual market. And if it is a fad, you have a steep profit rise and equally sudden fall. There are similar some areas. I would come to my strategy. I would come to this place. Of which is I called as Honda's approach for enhancement of product life cycle. Can anybody tell me कि अगर आगे लिखा है कुछ जगह अपने दिए है पर which would cut down out of scarcity of time, और वो टीचर वाला जो मेरा डिस्कशन था वो मेरे को कम करना पड़ेगा. कोई मेरे को बता, मेरे को प्रोडक्ट लाइफ गिर रही है तो मेरे को क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा डिक्लाइन स्टेज में या मैच्योरिटी स्टेज में. व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी डन फास्ट? गिव मी आंसर्स.
Add some new feature and
extension.
add features, extension to the product, extension to the product. You can add to the product range. A company usually don't have a single product. Companies usually have multiple products. So you add a line.
Packaging.
बराबर.
Change in
Huh?
packaging.
Change the packaging.
Change in packaging.
Yes, change in the packaging. Yes, right answer. Yes. Any more answer, please?
Considering the feedback from the customer, might considering the feedback from the customer, we might modify our product.
So modify the product or improve upon a product. बराबर.
Repositioning the product in the minds of the customers.
Marketing, use marketing to reposition a product. बराबर है? By features or by ad media. Exactly right. Anything else?
Use of
Anything
a proper brand ambassador.
Use of a brand ambassador again is enhancing marketing. Very right. Continue. They are all possible solution. And I would say, जितने लोग answer दे रहे हैं, they are answering मतलब they are understanding the concept. Very good. I am waiting for one answer which I want to put in. These
Sir,
all
creating a new utility of the same product.
adding a utility to the product. Very good. Very good. Anything more?
Adding a value to the product by adding more features without increasing the cost.
Exactly. Modifying a product. किसी ने बोला है already. आप भी बराबर बोल रहे हैं. Adding a value addition to a product. मतलब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are trying to see that the product should not die. बराबर है? Am I right? अब आप आपके माइक ऑन कर सकते हैं क्योंकि अपने 5 मिनट है, हम कम्युनिकेटिव रहेंगे.
Yes,
जिसको
sir.
भी आंसर. Yes, yes. मतलब now what we are doing? Patient पहुंच गया है हॉस्पिटल में. Am I right? Your product or a business has entered into a hospital. Now you want to regenerate. हार्ट में इंजेक्शन दो, बीपी मॉनिटर करो, वो क्या लगा दो, क्या पेसमेकर लगा दो, आगे करो. मतलब तुम क्या कर रहे हैं? You are trying to increase the life of the product, or you have to want to continue the life or increase the sale. Either what you are doing, you are adding to a line, you are adding to a product, you are adding to a strategy. बराबर है? Add similar product, change your product, do better marketing, do better supply, and you enhance the life of a product. One thing which we are not looking at, there are certain products which are expected to die with light. One, there is a natural law which I have said first. जो पैदा हुआ वो मरने वाला है, जो प्रोडक्ट आया है वो खत्म होने वाला है. And we have hundreds of examples, hundreds and thousands. Do you see any more painters जो हाथ में ब्रश लेके दीवारें पेंट करते हैं? They are not available.
No, sir.
Gone. The mobile would scrap the small unit. Mobile would scrap everything. घड़ियां गायब हो गई, कैमरे गायब हो गए, लैपटॉप गायब हो गए, बैंकिंग के लिए बैंकें गायब हो गई, ऑल ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन, मार्केट दुकानें गायब हो गई. दिस स्मॉल डिवाइस हैज क्रैश लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. इसको इनोवेशन में एक टर्म है, इसको बोलते हैं क्रिएटिव डिस्ट्रॉयर. मोबाइल इज अ क्रिएटिव डिस्ट्रॉयर. It added a camera and it destroyed the camera industry. Only professionals want a camera now. Yeah, those who have lot of money would go for a camera now. Otherwise, you have a better cameras with features. What is to say is, everybody is talking about pumping life into the single product, and I have a different concept now. Please see if you have seen this earlier, because I have to check it back from you. This is my concept. You all are focusing to this red area. Am I right? आप सब लोग ये रेड एरिया में फोकस कर रहे हैं, बराबर है? रेड सर्कल में डॉटेड में.
Yes, sir.
You want this decline to be shifted to new line, new height. बराबर है? You want to add a blue line to the existing line. So you don't want a decline, you want more peaks and drops, ups and down, but you don't want to die. बराबर है?
Yes.
I am differently looking at this problem. I know my product has to die someday. So if you want to, now इसलिए मैंने क्या बोला, प्रोडक्ट ऑब्लिक बिजनेस. Are we doing business for some product? Because I can produce this, that is why I'm doing a business. I want to do business, that is why I'm producing some product. What is right? I can produce A, that is why I'm doing business, or I want to do business, that is why I'm producing A. What is right?
I want to do a business.
Exactly. मतलब हम किसी प्रोडक्ट के लिए धंधा नहीं करते हैं. प्रोडक्ट आएंगे जाएंगे. Business is more important than any product. Means a business.
For what?
For that. तो मैंने बोला मुझे नहीं आता.
सर किसका है ये? किसका माइक है? Please can I call his name?
For your attendance thing is not clear. Like for me.
उसको क्या? Just send a mail. That is it.
किसी का माइक है? चेक कीजिए प्लीज.
राजेंद्र सर का है.
राजेंद्र सर योर माइक. राजेंद्र सर. राजेंद्र सर. राजेंद्र सर. योर माइक इज ऑन.
माइक इज
सर योर
ऑन.
माइक. या नहीं पर आपकी कुछ तो भी डिस्कशन सुनाई दे रही है सर. जो इंस्ट्रक्शन सुनाई दे रही है. ठीक है. एनीवे थैंक यू. आप समझ रहे हैं. So what is my point of view now today is that we don't only look to when you are into a business, when you are a business manager, when you are into any, what is the engineering education is facing a problem now. Am I not right? Management institution facing a problem. Ki the admissions are declining. It do not mean do anything to see that your college survive. You have to add new courses. You have to add a new institution. You have to add new something so that you can continue with your educational institution. Same is a concept. I am not focusing to this. I said the next is, isliye I have replaced this product by a business. I said we are worried more for a business life cycle rather than a product life cycle. We can produce n number of products. They may die, but the company should not die. The business should not die. So start a new company. Start a new company at this place. Can you see this thin line? Can you see a thin line?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this is Honda's approach for enhancement of a business. I said when you have a bigger profit and big money, good savings, when you are into a growth state and a maturity state. When you are in a growth state, start thinking of diversification. Start thinking of a parallel company, maybe a different or a similar range of product, similar type of product, absolutely different diversification. If I am into a cloth industry, I would go to cosmetic industry, or I would go to pharmacology industry because I have money to invest. At introduction stage or R&D, I had not more of money. I invested into money. I have made an investment. Now I have a profit. And if I can invest on a profit, by the time this business collapsed, I would have a new rise in some other business. मतलब जैसा एक पेरेंट्स खत्म होते हैं, वो उनके बच्चे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन होते हैं और लाइफ चलती है. Are you understanding? I am born. My dad is now no more, but then I am there to continue with a life. So Hondas are going on. Same, the company goes on, the product may perish. So I have given this new dimension that for a better businessman, for a better business to run, whenever we see that there is a period of growth and maturity, the business house should look for a new business, diversification, or a new similar type of category of business so that the company do not die. And this is what I've called Honda's approach for enhancement of business life cycle, not that product life cycle. Is it making a sense? Any questions on this?
Sir, I have a question. Sir, is this approach is not applicable to all kind of product? I think so, because if we talk about the trend, then like a business cycle, there is an inflation, then recession, then depression, then recovery. So sometimes I think it is not applicable in all kind of commodities or products.
Which my approach or product life cycle approach?
Sir, your approach.
No, it is applicable. I have done with my business. And I have been
Okay.
preaching and telling to a lot of people. जब उसका हिंदी का translation कर दूं, can you understand Hindi, everybody? Or I would
Yes,
convert
sir.
it to English also. जब एक गाड़ी दौड़ रही है, जब एक गाड़ी फुल फॉर्म में है, तब दूसरी गाड़ी को धक्का देने को शुरुआत कर दो. When your business is running in full form, start a small business, other business, so that when this business would try to come down, your other business would support you and your total income or profits would be maintained at that stage. Declining business, growing business, these would match a company. Yes, boliye please.
Sir, your approach is like a business approach, na, not a product approach. Suppose we are manufacturing. हाँ.
I have put in
Yes,
here.
sir, please.
Product के बाद मैंने business life cycle बोला है, and
Yes,
that
sir,
is
yes,
why
sir.
I'm emphasizing. Aim of company is not to go for a product. नहीं, ये मेरा product ही बेचना है. ऐसा रहता है क्या कि मेरे को profit कमाना है? इसलिए पहली लाइन मैंने क्या लिखी थी? Any business is done for longevity.
Yes, sir, perpetual.
Yes, longevity मतलब pushing the same product till infinity. And life matlab, if it is to die, then I don't want to die. If my product die, do any company would like let the product die and I would die with the product? Is it possible?
No.
So my approach is same approach been retreated back to a business. So product is not important for a company. For a company, life of the product is important. And if it is impossible to save a product, company don't want to die. The business house or the company would survive. Product may come or product may go. Companies may come or companies won't go. The business house would not die. And that is why this concept. I think we have to, there are a lot of similar things to go in. I think I have to end a session because I have to come to a very important point. I have reached to my point. I am encroaching your question answer session. मैं एक चीज दिखाना चाह रहा हूं, हम इसको छोड़ देते, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लग रहा है मेरे को. Can everybody be back to me? जो थोड़े से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए होंगे, can you be to back to me? Can I get a chorus? Yes. Can you put the mic and say yes, sir? Yes. Yes. मतलब इसके मराठी वाले होंगे, या आप अगर कीर्तन में भजन में बैठते होगे या पूजा में बैठते होगे तो महाराज बीच में से एकदम जोर से चिल्लाने लगते हैं, विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल. वो ऐसा क्यों करते मेरे को नहीं समझता था बचपन में, पर जैसा जैसा मैं पढ़ने लगा, जैसा जैसा मैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर होने लगा, as I started growing, I understand when in a this gathering, when you start clapping back, you make people awake. So don't sleep. Okay? What I am trying to put in is now, Rajesh sir, फिर mic please. Mic को ऑफ कर दीजिए. Mute your mic please. Now this is I5 idea और इसके नीचे अगर देख रहे होंगे तो यहाँ लिखा है creation of Dr. Chandras Handa. This is my type. What I want. Now you as a teacher, this is my request. If this concept appeals you, I would request you to implement at your place. If you want any help from me, my number is already there. I say if the concept is called, I called is I5 lab. I5 lab. What is I would tell you. I5 lab means number one is idea. आपको मालूम है ना, idea rules the world. What an idea, sir ji. Abhishek Bachchan. What a lucky man, sir ji. Father, the great big B. Mother, the government. The member of parliament. Wife, the most beautiful lady of the world. What an idea, sir ji. Must. But you know, idea is an inception, any idea. So your responsibility is to see that students always are creative and they generate ideas. We are conventionally teacher corrupt the idea. We don't like questions to be asked. We don't like nonsense questions to be asked in the class. You never know, a small nonsense answer can make a sense. I would put you an example on this. Do you know Kodak? Kodak was a roll. Abhi roll camera khatam ho gaye hai. Kodak was earlier into roll. And do you know what was the problem? The roll was developed in the red light room. Out of that, what happened was a problem was those who were working in that laboratory for development of roll got a color blindness. They were color blind to red, and they filed a case against Kodak. And Kodak has to pay thousands and crores of rupees, dollars as a compensation. And again, the management sat together discussing. A junior man in the system was there. He said, what is to be done? We have to develop our role into a lab. Somebody put a nonsense answer. Bole, sir, what happens if they develop in a role? They go blind. The fellow said, the junior said, sir, why can't we employ blind people in the lab? The manager shouted, but that was converted to the business proposition. It is a small activity. Open a roll, dip it into a liquid, and then that is developed. They employed, they suggested that. A small example, there was a meeting going on toothpaste. जो senior है उन नहीं, junior को नहीं मालूम होगा, senior को मालूम होगा. Earlier toothpaste was with a small nozzle. Somebody suggested, sir, what we do? Increase the mouth of the toothpaste. He said, bloody, what would happen? We have a typical lifestyle of taking the paste on the toothbrush. He said, enhance the mouth. Now you would see all the toothpaste with a big mouth. छोटी सी टूथपेस्ट इतना बड़ा माउथ रहेगा. They are all nonsense ideas. In days to come, they have generated the best booster for a business. Invention. This is different. Invention is science. किसी ने तो भी मेरे को बोला था, which has never happened is invention. This is happening, or that is a scientific principle. Invention usually teachers or researchers do. And these inventions help in lot of innovations. Like gravity was an invention. Gravity was an invention, but there are a lot of things happening out of gravity. Gravity के ऊपर हमने कितने applications देखे? They are innovation, use of invention or slight modification of the existing working for the betterment of utility, cost, price, safety, whatsoever. Adding any additional feature is the innovation. Next is, when you cross this, try to have incubation centers at your place. Try to have innovation center. Try to have idea centers or idea clubs. I have started I5 club at my college. Every Saturday, student come, discuss their idea, presentation, the rest student would suggest, and we would try to convert an idea into an innovation into a business. So to me, idea should come first. Invention, because we are engineering student or we are professional student, we can always think of innovations, but very little people, science and engineering people do think of inventions, new things. But we must encourage. We should have a category of those who think operation, core. Third is badmash, manipulator. Idea, everybody's domain. Invention, those who are scholar, those who are thinkers can go for invention. Innovation is any smart person who can look to a product differently and can add something into that product or service is an innovation. And who is incubator? He is a smart businessman who takes your idea or your invention, convert it into a business proposition and mints money. IPR is again for all of you people who have their intellectual properties like other property. I have my 3 patents filed and 5 copyrights. Okay? So I am trying to work. I want every of my teacher to look into. You don't know, आपके दिमाग में करोड़ों का खजाना है. जिस दिन ये खजाने को अनर्थ करोगे, टीचर्स वुड बी द रिचेस्ट कम्युनिटी. टीचर्स वुड बी, दूसरे यूनिवर्सिटी में कई ऐसे टीचर्स है जो करोड़ रुपए सैलरी से लाख रुपए कमा रहे हैं और 10 लाख रुपए कंसल्टेंसी से कमा रहे हैं. आप लोगों को सिर्फ टीचर नहीं रहना है. You have to see that you have a property, your brain. So use this brain, grow yourself, grow your student, grow this society, earn for yourself not only money but the respect and the capacities. I want the education to see its back by golden glory which we had. मैंने सुना था ऋषि मुनि को लेने के लिए महाराजा दरवाजे तक आते हैं, ऐसा तो देखने नहीं मिलता। अभी टीचर को मिलने कोई नहीं आता। मैनेजमेंट के घर में टीचर दौड़ते जाता है। कब आएगा वो दिन जब मैनेजमेंट मेरे दरवाजे पे आएगा? मेरी मैनेजमेंट मेरे को रिस्पेक्ट करती है, बिकॉज आई से इफ यू गिव मी वन आई वुड पे यू टू। So my idea is, I call this I5, idea, innovation, incubation and IPR. Why lab? Why lab? Why it is not a theoretical, though it is a theoretical concept. Why I'm starting this lab? Lab is a place where you actually experiment. So I have kept one room which I called as I5 lab. My student come, churn their ideas, put forth their ideas, try to work on a research, try to convert research into innovations, try to convert innovations into incubations. We go for IPR, and as we are using all theoretical knowledge, as we do in a research laboratories, I have given this name as lab. I wish every student should. आपको चाहिए तो मैं ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन आपके स्टूडेंट के लिए I5 के ऊपर बहुत डेलिबरेट करूंगा। यहाँ और बहुत सारी स्लाइड्स है, पर आई थिंक आई हैव टू एंड व्हाट टाइम। एवरीथिंग एंड्स, मैंने ही खुद बोला है, जो शुरू होगा वो खत्म होगा। What that starts must stop. So as I have started, I should end now. This is what I am trying to put. My friends, thank you so much for listening to me about more than 1.5 hours. Thank you very much. Any questions, please? I think आप लोगों को मैंने बहुत तकलीफ नहीं दी. I could make some use of your time. Any questions, please? ये अगर आपको पीपीटी देते होंगे तो उसमें मेरे आईपीआर की पीपीटी, आप I5 की पीपीटी आपको मिल जाएंगी. यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया फ्रॉम दैट. कैन आई एंड दिस सेशन प्लीज? Edgard sir,
please participant. If you have any query, you can ask.
No questions.
Okay, no question. So,
I am thankful to all the participants for patient listening. I hope I have tried to do justice with their time and my topic. Thank you so much for such a good listener.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, CCT Bhilai, I would like to thank you, sir, for your energetic and informative session. You have made it very interactive by asking the question in between, and also I think all the participants have enjoyed this session. I am also thankful to you, sir, for sparing your valuable time and sharing your knowledge with us. Also, I would thanks to all the participants for joining and listening the whole session with a lot of patience. Thank you, sir. Thank you all again.
Thank you so much, Edgard sir.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.